Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Sonic. With a destination set for fun, this bold Sonic is begging to hit the road and never look back. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend comments, while the Sonic isn't perfect, without a doubt it finally has all the goods to be a true competitor in its segment. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.